stacker on a journey to find silver. International Stacker.
Hey guys, International Stacker here, and as you just saw the intro, we're back in California. Let's unbox some boxes. Now, most of these boxes I have no clue what's in them, including this one. But I have a feeling that this box, I have a feeling I know what it is because it's so heavy. I think it's a box I bought on Black Friday. There's one piece I've been expecting. It's my first piece of its kind. So let's see if this is it. Now look at this, guys. This box had some battle damage. All right, let's see. Yep, this is the box I thought. Oh, mama. I think this box is amazing and both boring at the same time. Yeah. And always, guys, always checking the box from Provident. You guys know I love Provident metals. All right, so this is just some extra supplies. But here it is, guys, the big baby. Oh, mother of pearl. It's my first of its kind. My first 100-ounce bar. What is it? $100 ounces. I've never heard of this company before. This looks old. When I sent a message, I said, please, I'm a good customer of yours. Please send me a really good bar. It's Pyromet. I'll have to look this up. Number 8091. Never heard of it. 100 ounces. And guys, this is so much heavier. So much heavier than what you think. Holy moly. But I got this at spot price on Black Friday. So I'm not really worried either way. If this is a good company, if I find out, I'll keep it. But if not, I'll just melt it down when I start pouring silver, and that'll be 100 ounces. So here's that. See what else I got. Huh. They sent me this, guys. This is free. Currency of the Apocalypse. The Zombucks keychain. That's cool. First time they sent me a keychain. Usually it's a, let me take the receipt out of here. Usually it's a magnet. All right, I got a few more things in here that I didn't remember. I got some 2016 pandas, looks like. Pull one of these out. 2016s. And I got a really good deal on these too at the time. I just cannot remember. I cannot remember the price. All right. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1-ounce bars. These are some old school silver towns. I cannot remember the price I got these at. I think it was some deal. They're not in the best shape, but they're old school, so they look pretty vintage. You know what this was? I think it was 5 1-ounce bars at their price. It seems like if you shop a lot from them, they try to take care of you. So I think this was like 5 1-ounce bars of their choice. That was like at spot almost. So they sent me some old school silver towns, which is cool. Got a magnet for the 4 horsemen. Whoops. Sorry about that. I was going for my scissors. The 100-ounce bar is cool. Too bad it's not a Johnson Matthey or something. That would have been freaking amazing. But hey, beggars can't be choosers. It was spot. Oh, I can't get this out of here. I have to look that company up. Who knows? Maybe it's super good and I just don't even know it. Otherwise, it's going in the cauldron. Never to be seen from again. I got a dollar face here, some quarters. Look how great of shape these are. Full dates, very little wear. So we got a 43, 43, that's during World War II, 57 after World War II, and a 63. Nice. Let's keep going. I think the rest of this stuff, I think this is supplies. Yep. Well, there you have it, guys. 105, 6, pretty much 107.715 ounces added to this deck. Now, you know these pandas aren't a complete ounce, they're 30 grams. So they're 2 grams short of an ounce. But anyways, guys, what do you think? What do you think of this Black Friday special? Did I do well? 100 ounces at spot price? I think spot was like 1670 or like 70.20 or something at that time. All right, guys. Catch you on the next one.